So we got this rear seat that we were putting into the Jeep, and we didn't realize this had white stitching and everything else had black stitching. We saw another guy use a Sharpie. We got this king size Sharpie. Look at this. All Chase is doing is he's just touching the middle of this, and the ink just flows into the entire stitch. It's like perfect. Look at that. I mean, you cannot tell that is not factory. And that's not using dye, that's not using anything else. It doesn't have the purple hue or anything. It's like perfect.
Before and after.
Wow. Little life hacks, man.
Life hack episode number 3.
Oh.